In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a PDF from Google Drive. This is a straightforward process, but if you're not familiar with it, don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring it's clear and easy to follow. To start, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account, as you'll need the proper permissions to access your files. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll need to locate the specific PDF file you wish to download. If you have a neatly organized drive, you might find it within seconds. However, if you're not quite sure where it is, try using the search bar located at the top of the interface. Simply type in the name of the file or relevant keywords and it will pull up all possible matches, making it really easy to find exactly what you're looking for. After you've found the PDF you want to download, the next step is to right-click on the file. Doing this will open a context menu with a variety of options. Once the menu is open, look for and click on the option that says Download. This will initiate the download process and save a copy of the PDF to your computer. Now, sometimes you might find that the PDF is open in a preview mode in your browser. If that's the case, you'll notice there is a download icon in the form of a downward facing arrow located at the top right corner of the screen. Simply click on this download icon and just like that, your PDF will start downloading directly onto your device. Once the download is complete, the PDF will typically go to your downloads folder unless you have your settings set otherwise. If you want to ensure it's there, simply navigate to your downloads folder and you should see your PDF file ready for your use. In case you encounter any issues or if the PDF is not downloading as expected, double check your browser's pop-up and download settings. Sometimes settings can prevent files from downloading directly, so make sure your browser is configured to allow downloads. And that's it. With just a few quick and easy steps, you've successfully downloaded a PDF from Google Drive to your computer, ready for you to use as needed. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more of our guides on digital file management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident navigating Google Drive to download your important files.